I'm out of my car for this one. When nature walks. So adorable. Ducks ahoy! Flying V! Slanted. Oh. I didn't like that I was shouting at the ducks. Run for the hills. Run for the hills. There you go. Get off the mainland. That's all I was trying to do in my other video. Just trying to get them. I guess deer season will be upon us. October fastly approaching. Remember, be kind to the animals. Like a whitetail. I saw a post of another whitetail. Quite humorous, actually. Happy Sunday. God bless, and may the 4th